Once you placed your slip knot on your hook, and here's the tail of the yarn, and here's my working yarn, you have to learn how to hold your yarn so that you can control it. The easiest way I have found is to wind it around my pinky like this, and then like this under these two fingers and over the top of my index finger. And then you place your middle finger and your thumb on the slip knot. Then you're ready to actually start working with this yarn that's between your index finger and the slip knot.